Hello guys, welcome to Crypto. My name is Arthur. In this video, I'm going to take a live triangular crypto arbitrage opportunity in this video using updated version of Heavy Crypto Scan. Alright, so if you're already subscribed to the channel, that you know about this triangular crypto arbitrage scanner. This is a scanner that scans for triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities and then give you triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities. So in this video, I'm gonna take a live triangular crypto arbitrage opportunity and then I'm gonna trade it on Binance, right? Because Binance is actually one of the best exchanges in the world and I love Binance. So if you don't have access to Binance, this triangular arbitrage scanner can also scan arbitrage opportunities on our other crypto exchanges. So looking at right here, you can see that we have a bunch of triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities right there, but then the best one being USDT, BTC, then BTC to COS. Then it says right there that we're gonna get at least 3%, right? So in this video, I'm gonna take that triangular crypto arbitrage opportunity right now in this video, and I'm gonna use a mobile phone because a lot of you have been asking if we can use a mobile phone. So let's get right into it. So I'm gonna do what it says, right? Because it says step one, I should buy some BTC, and then sell that BTC to COS, and after that sell that COS to USDT, and I'm gonna make a profit of 3%. So I'm gonna do exactly what it says, and I'm gonna take instructions from the scanner, right? So right now, let's take a live triangular crypto arbitrage right now in this video, and yes guys, from now onwards we're gonna be making arbitrage videos based on our tools, and there's another tool coming out, and this is crypto arbitrage for across exchanges, right? Whereby you buy some coins from another market at lower price and then you sell to another market at higher price, right? So that scanner again is coming out, is really doing a good job. It's still testing it and all that good stuff. But right now, let's dive right into today's video. So right now, if I click buy, you can see that I have like 570 USD. Okay, so step one, it says we should have some USDT, and I have some USDT on my wallet. And step two, it says I should buy some BTC. Right, so let's go click right there and go to where it's written USDT and search right here BTC. Okay, BTC, and you can see BTC pair right here, okay, on top right there. And then we're gonna spend let's spend 300 or 200, right? Because it says this arbitrage opportunity is gonna give us at least 3%. Okay, so I'm willing to spend like 200 so that I'm gonna make at least reasonable profit. So let me spend like $300, right? Let's put 300 right here and click buy, and right here you can see that I'm using a market order. I can actually use a limit order like this. So right now I'm gonna buy some USDT. Let's spend 300, so I'm gonna type right here 300. Okay, and I have to put the price, so I'm just gonna click right here where it's written 28,000 like this. Okay, and right here you can see the price that I'm buying it, and I'm using a limit order because there's liquidity and all that good stuff on Binance. So I'm gonna create an order like this. Now you can see that I have an open order. If I can just refresh this page right here waiting to be filled. Okay, so this of course not gonna take time because we all know what Binance is capable of, right? Right now you can see that our order has been executed, and then if I go to sell, you can see that I have some BTC right here. Okay, and if I click 100%, you'd see that this BTC is worth at least $300, right? So I'm gonna go to step B, and step B, it says sell this BTC to COS, right? So I'm gonna go to where's written BTC like this, and then I'm gonna search COS, right? And then if I scroll down, you can see that we have this pair right here written COS BTC, and I'm gonna click it like this, and you can see that it has dropped at least minus 3%. Okay, so right now you can see that I don't have any COS in here, and if I click buy like this, you can see that I still have the amount of BTC that I bought, and this amount of BTC is worth $300, right? So right now I'm gonna go ahead and then sell this amount of BTC to COS, right? Then I'm gonna go ahead and click 100%, and here's amount of BTC right there. Double check right there. There's no any COS and all that good stuff, so I'm clicking 100% and clicks buy COS. All right, so right now I have some COS in my wallet, and you can see that I have like 42 EOS COS in my wallet. And if I click buy like this and then click 100%, you can see that there's no any BTC. This amount of BTC is actually worthless because we spent a whole amount of our BTC to buy COS. And if I click sell like this, let's see how much is it gonna be using limit order. You can see that we're still gonna get that amount of BTC that we used to buy COS. All right, so right now we're gonna have to sell this amount of COS to USDT because that's how we're making profit. Okay, so again, this is where an arbitrary opportunity comes in, because if you sell this COS to USDT, you're gonna make a profit of at least 3%. All right, and that's why right here is COS to BTC has dropped to -3% right there. Okay, so right now we're gonna have to sell this COS to USDT and make profit of at least 3%, but then it was actually like 2.9%, so approximately 3% right there. Okay, so right now I'm gonna go ahead and click where it's written COS to USDT. Okay, COS to USDT right there, and you can see that right now I don't have any USDT. I only have like one USD right here. Okay, approximately $1 right now, so we're not gonna count it on our profits. Okay, but then right here you can see that I have like 0 USD right there. And if I click to sell right here, you can see that I have like 42 COS that we used, and this amount right here, we bought this amount of COS using BTC with $300. All right, so right now we're gonna have to sell the whole amount of COS that we have on our wallet and see whether we're gonna make profit or not. And guys, you really need to have like reasonable amount of capital in order for you to make profit. Okay, right here you can see that I'm using like $300, and you're gonna see how much you're gonna make, because like when you're making like 3%, right? That's why you need reasonable amount. So let's say if you have like $100 and you're making profit of 3%, you know what you're gonna get, right? You're gonna get at least like $3, right? If you use $200, you get like $6, and if you use like $300, you'll get approximately $8 to $9, right? So right now let me just go ahead and sell this before our time runs out, because these triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities usually last for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so right now I'm going to quickly sell this and see how much we're gonna make right there. And you can see that our order has been created and successfully bought, right? So right now if I check my funds right there, you can see that we have made a profit of at least $6 right here. If I click buy, so right now you can see that we have made a profit of at least $6.97, and you saw this amount was there, 97 cents was there already, so we're not gonna count it, but we have made at least like $6, right, on this opportunity. So guys, it's simple like that. All you need to do is to use our scanner to scan these triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities, and then repeat the process and then make these profits. So let's say if you have a capital of $1,000, you'll make at least 25 to 30 if I'm not mistaken. Depends on arbitrage opportunity. So these percentages actually go crazy. They can actually reach up to 10% per day. So right now with $300, we have made a profit of $6, and these triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities took less than 4 minutes, took less than 4 minutes. So it's actually worth it, right? If you spend like, let's say, 1 hour doing this stuff, you'll come up with a reasonable amount of profits at the end of the day. All right, so I usually spend like 1 to 2 hours doing this when I'm free and make some cash and all that good stuff. So the link to the triangular crypto arbitrage is going to be in the description below, and this is an updated version. You don't need to do all that stuff and all other bunch of complicated stuff. And the app is available as well. It's going to be sent via emails and all other stuff. So this is it. My name is Arthur. I just wanted to do this quick triangular crypto arbitrage opportunity. But other than that, I can also scan again and check for another triangular crypto arbitrage opportunity and then take advantage of this as well. So with a capital of $300, we have made $6 profit and all other stuff. So this is it. My name is Arthur. Therefore, I'll see you in another video. Love and peace, my friends. Don't forget to join our Telegram group. The link is going to be in the description below. If you want to contact me, you feel free to contact me on Telegram as well as on Discord. All these links gonna be in the description below as well. The scanner is still available on discount, 30% discount. And yes guys, let's get this cash.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take